guys, another 4th of July is coming up, and if you're looking for a new idea to surprise your friends, well, I have one. Today, I'll show you how to make colorful s'moreos. That's right, no s'mores, s'moreos. And for that, I'll be using different types of Oreos. We have the classic one, the chocolate one, the golden yellow one, mint, and even Oreos with colorful sprinkles. I'll also use dark and white chocolate and regular marshmallows. But that's not all. I have something special. I have unicorn poo shaped marshmallows in different colors. I have yellow, pink, purple, and even aqua blue. So are you ready to make colorful s'moreos? Okay, let's begin. First, we'll split the Oreo in half. Then, we'll put the chocolate on top, the marshmallow, and the rest of the Oreo. Then we'll wrap it up and we can put it on the grill. But before that, we'll make more colorful s'moreos. Over here, I did a green one with white chocolate and yellow marshmallow. Over here, I did a chocolate Oreo with white chocolate and classic marshmallow. On the yellow one, I put dark chocolate, purple marshmallow, and over here I put the dark chocolate on the classic one, the blue marshmallow, and ta-da! Now let's wrap them up and put them on the grill. Time for grilling. Let's first put our s'moreos on top of the grill and ask our parents to light them up. Now let's wait 5 minutes. Time to unwrap it. Surprise! This is the green one. Now let's taste it. It's gooey and slimy. So sticky. Time to eat it. Yummy and minty. And here are the rest of my s'moreos. Do you like them? Well, I also have one more idea for you. If you don't have colorful marshmallows, you can just take a plain white one and add food coloring. Thank you for watching. See you till next time. Bye! And happy 4th of July.